What if you could build your own private AI image studio right in your browser? Forget juggling Discord bots or paying for expensive software. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a powerful, web-based tool that lets you generate and edit images with your own custom workflow. By the end of this video, you'll have this exact interface running on your own computer, connected to your own n8n automation backend. I'll walk you through every step. So, what does it actually do? It's simple. You can type a prompt to generate a brand new image from scratch. Or you can upload your own image and use a prompt to edit it. Perfect for changing backgrounds, adding objects, or tweaking character designs. When you click Generate or Edit, the interface sends that request over to a powerful n8n workflow. This workflow is the brain of the operation. It takes your prompt and image, processes it through the new Nano Banana model, which was released a few hours ago, and sends the final, high-quality image right back to your interface. It's fast, it's private, and it's completely under your control. All right, enough talk. Let's see it in action. I'm going to start with a simple prompt and generate an image from scratch. Let's try a cinematic shot of a robot exploring a glowing alien jungle at night. Now, I'll just hit Generate Image. And just like that, we have our result. Looks incredible. Now, let's try editing. I'll upload a photo of a person, and for the prompt, I'll say, change the dress color to white. And there we go. The workflow took the original photo, understood my request, and seamlessly changed the color of the dress. Now that you've seen what it can do, let's get it set up. First things first, you need the files. You can download this n8n workflow and the interface file inside my Skool community, under the classroom area. Once you've downloaded the files, head over to your n8n instance. Create a new blank workflow. Now click on the three small dots in the top right corner and select Import from File. Choose the workflow file you just downloaded. Next, you need to connect the interface to this workflow. Find the HTML file in your downloads. I've named it 38.html because this is the 38th major automation we've built in our Skool community. You'll need to open this file with a good text editor. If you're on a Mac, I highly recommend BBEdit, but any text editor will work. Now, scroll down until you find line 107. You'll see a placeholder URL there. We need to replace this with your unique webhook URL from n8n. To find that, go back to your n8n workflow and double-click on the first node, the webhook node. Make sure you click on the production URL, not the test one. Copy that URL. Finally, go back to your text editor and paste that URL directly into line 107. Save the file, and that's it. You're ready to go. Now, maybe you wanted to see how I generate this interface. The prompt used to generate this interface is also in the Skool community. I will scroll down so you can check it. If you copy-paste this entire prompt into Gemini or ChatGPT, it will give you a similar interface. The first node is the webhook. This is our entry point. It listens for the data coming from our HTML interface every time we click a button. From there, the data goes into a switch node. This is the traffic cop of our workflow. It looks at the action we sent, either generate or edit, and directs the data down the correct path. The top path is for generating a new image. The first HTTP request node sends our prompt to the AI service to kick off the job. I will use the API from Kie.ai. Please check how the node was set up. Also, the JSON is on the bottom. Please pause the video to see how it looks. Then, a wait node pauses the workflow for a few seconds to give the AI time to process. The next set of HTTP request nodes check the status of the job, and once it's finished, they retrieve the final image URL. At the end, I have a simple respond to webhook node. The bottom path is for editing, and it starts with a very important step. The first HTTP request node uses my own custom API to transform the binary image we uploaded into a live URL. This is critical because Kie.ai only accepts clean URLs like this one. not raw file data. You could replace this API node with a service like Cloudinary or Amazon S3 if you want. I chose to use my API file, which is available in both the free and paid Skool communities. I recommend you check the YouTube video you see on the screen right now to see how it works, as I won't explain it here again. The API is free, but you do need to host the file on your own server. As you can see on the image, this node is set up differently. After the image is converted to a URL, the next HTTP request node sends that URL and our prompt to Kie.ai to start the editing job. The rest of the flow is the same. It waits, gets the finished image, and downloads it. Finally, both paths end with a respond to webhook node. This is the crucial last step. It takes the final image data and sends it directly back to our interface, causing it to appear on your screen. So what we've built is an amazing personal tool. But what if you run an AI or marketing agency? This is where it gets really exciting. You can take this exact interface, brand it with your logo, and give it to your customers as a professional, value-added service. In the background, you orchestrate the entire automation through n8n. You can manage their API keys, track usage, and even add more features. This becomes a powerful custom tool that you can charge your clients for on a monthly retainer. So there you have it. A complete customizable AI image studio powered by n8n that you can build for yourself or scale into a service for your clients. All the files and prompts are waiting for you in the Skool community. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you plan to build with this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.